So you'll have seen from the video at the beginning that this week we're going to be learning about patterns. Now, I absolutely love learning and teaching about patterns. It's one of my favourite things. It's really, really fun because it's maths, but it's also a chance for us to get really creative, play lots of games, still challenging ourselves, but it is a really fun one. Okay, so your learning objective today is I can continue an A-B pattern. You might be thinking, say what? What does that mean? But I'm about to show you, okay? So, if I'm going to make a pattern, I might do what shape's that? Circle, square. Now, what do you guys think is going to come next? Circle, square. If I put a circle next, now I've got circle, square, circle. What do you think is going to come after that? You said square, good job, you are right. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Okay, there's my pattern. And we call this an A-B pattern because say a circle is A, and a square is a B, it goes A, B, A, B, A, B. So the important thing to remember with patterns are they always repeat. What's the word? Repeat. And repeat means that something happens again and again and again. Okay, so there's the circle, it goes circle, square, then it says circle, square again, then we have another circle, square, and if I were to repeat that again, I would do another circle and square. Okay, so that is an A-B pattern, and that is your learning objective today, to continue A-B patterns. Okay, but I'm going to show you another one now. So, say we have a star and a heart. What's going to come next, guys? Remember, A, B, A, B. Good job. We're going to go back to the star because we need to make sure that we repeat this. A, B, A, B. Good job. Then I'm going to do another star and another heart. Excellent. Now I'm going to show you one. Ready? So if I'm going to do a squiggly line and then a squiggly line. So I do one across and one down. One across, one down. You watch me. Is that right? One across, one down. One across, one down. One across. Oh, what have I done? Now I've done one across, one down. A, B. One across, one down. A, B. One across, one across. O. A, A. That's not right, silly Miss Shannon. It should be one down. There we go. Then one across, one down. Do you see? So we've got A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Do you see how all of the A's are the same? Because we've repeated them. And all of the B's are the same because we've repeated them as well. Excellent job, guys. Okay, now we're going to do some fun tasks all about continuing A-B patterns. You're going to do some work in your book, but I've also got some really, really good online games that I'm going to share with you and show you how to do it and set you a little challenge on that as well, okay? We're in for a very fun week. Get excited. Okay, let's get going. What was that, Rocco? He was just saying that you did such a good job and that he's so excited to see all of the patterns that you guys come up with this week. Ooh, he said, can you spot a pattern on him at all right now? It's on his top. He's got green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green stripes. Excellent job if you spotted it. Okay guys, we're going to get going with some of that learning, so I'll give you the link for this and you're going to click it, and then we're going to be completing and finishing some shape patterns. So that's tying in last week's learning with this week's learning. So try and use shape names where you can, just it's going to help you to remember them. If you're not sure of a shape, then you can research that shape and see if you can learn that as well, just for some extra shape learning. There I go. So I've got a circle. So for this one, I just look really carefully at the top. So I've got triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. What comes next? Then I've got 4 shapes below that I have to guess from. Good job, Miss Shannon. It was a triangle. Same again here. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. What comes next, guys? Wouldn't be a square, would it? Because then the pattern wouldn't repeat. Yeah, there we go. So it has to be a circle. So this is a bit of a shorter one. Which could it be? Can you have a guess? Remember to click level 1 for this, guys. When you click onto the game, click level 1. If you're feeling really confident with shapes and you like to play these games more than once in your lesson, then you can try level 2 later in the week, okay? When you've done a little bit more work on shape, and see how you get on. We're still doing well here, so here comes another one. Sometimes it's trickier, sometimes it's easier when the shapes are the same, but it just gives you a lot more options that are the same, so you really got to pay attention. And just trying to speed up as you go along, as you become more familiar with how the patterns are working. There we go. Then you're going to get a bit quicker. But yeah, okay, so circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, there we go, circle. Okay guys, then onto Purple Mash, click onto art, click to paint and launch app. I'll give you the link for this. This is compatible with mobile phones, tablets and computers. So this is just a blank art page, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be designing our own patterns, okay, using the colours. Up the top there you can see where I've clicked pencil. That is my idea of a heart. I'm not the most creative on this, but I'm trying my best and that's all that matters. And then I'm trying to make sure I try and get the same colour, but I didn't that time, but that's okay because I'm trying my best and this is new. And my pattern is heart, circle, heart, circle, heart. What would come next, guys, if I had room? If you said circle, then you are correct. Okay, on to the next one. I've put a X or a cross there and a circle, and I'm changing the colour. I'm just looking, and another X and a circle. That is XOXO. It's hugs and kisses. And now it's your time, guys, to give it a go.